Do you want to reverse your diabetes? Millions of people have diabetes and weight gain problems all around the world. It has been double from earlier decades day by day. Diabetes is one of hurtful diseases which involve the health of the person drastically. As well as taking unwanted body weight may also risk your health. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy? Halki Diabetes Remedy will be given as one ebook including helpful information about type 2 diabetes, useful recipes to stay healthy, the 21 meal plan and various diabetes reversing plans. You have restored to normal strategies and can live a healthy life. It is scientifically proven program that protects against type 2 diabetes and improves insulin resistance. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a complete and no-trial guide to converting diabetes and the destruction it's caused. It takes you through a 21 days program in your body that manage the root cause of diabetes toxins. The crux of the Halki Diabetes Remedy program is practicing a 60-second habit twice a day that's known only to inhabitants of an Aegean island called Halki. This habit apparently helps you flush out PM 2.5 from the body and reverse and repair any damage. The habit is based on eating special salad dressings twice a day that don't cause spikes in your blood sugar and that contain ingredients that have been shown by studies to help those dealing with type 2 diabetes. This plan includes an excess of valuable knowledge about type 2 diabetes, the causes, the ingredients that tackle the causes, as well as for guidance and a meal plan to you into action. To give you a bigger idea of what you can expect when you get started with this great regime supported by verified studies, here's a sneak peek at some of the content provided. Want to learn more about managing type 2 diabetes? Click the link below the description below and get instant access. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe.